Hey, what's up? It is Dr. Burgundy, chiropractor in real life. Still can't find my microphones, but hopefully you can hear me. And I'm going to share, we woke up to a winter wonderland. And I don't want you to get hurt or injured because a lot of people experiencing a blizzard. Today is Monday, January 6th, 2025. And we got some pretty snow. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to shovel safely. Maybe just 4 or 5 tips. Okay? Because I'm going to play. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first step to shovel safely is to prepare. And we prepare the night before because we put ice all over our sidewalks.
I don't want a video. I don't want a video.
It's not even facing you. I'm not going to put you in a video. You look rough. All right. You look beautiful. The first step is preparing your sidewalk and your walkways and around your cars with products to reduce the ice. So we use something that I got from Home Depot, some ice stuff. All right, so we just get a picture just of your hands doing it. Hold on. Just sprinkle it like this Salt Bae. I just sprinkle it down like Salt Bae.
I am.
I just want to stand up for the video.
I'm doing it.
I know, but it was on the video first. All right, so sprinkle it like Ice Bae. Beautiful. Sprinkle more. Anyway, there's just some stuff. I'll take a picture of the product that we use. So we basically did this the night before. So now it's super easy. So now I'm going to show you how to actually shovel. So the first tip is to just prepare your area the night before it snows. All right, come back. Some of this stuff. Stop, right? Hey, so Dr. Burgundy Collins, chiropractor in real life, and I'm back to share with you the top tips of safety when you're shoveling snow. Now, we woke up to a winter wonderland, and here are the tips. So number one, as already mentioned before, you want to prepare the area with some kind of salt. So we got our stuff from Home Depot. We already put that down. So the day after, it's a lot easier to shovel and it's not icy. The second tip you want to consider before you get started is, as tempting as it may seem during a snow day, you do not want to have any alcohol before or after you shovel. Okay, the reasons why is because if you have alcohol, then you want to be impaired. You want to know how your body's actually doing, and you won't have 100% capability of your body when you're moving around. You don't want to just be out here messing around because you could seriously injure yourself. So no alcohol before or after. The next thing is you want to have good posture. Okay, you want to use, number one, an ergonomically sound shovel, which I don't have because I don't need it. We don't shovel that much around here, but an ergonomically sound shovel has like the little curves in it, but we just have the straight one, which is totally fine. Okay, so that's tip number 3. If you can't get your hands on an ergonomically sound shovel, if it happens to snow a lot where you live, but we live, it doesn't snow that often, so it's not a big deal. All right, the next thing you want to do is make sure you have good posture when you are shoveling. Okay, good posture means you want to have your feet hip width apart when you do your shoveling. So my feet are hip width apart. You want to keep the shovel close to your body. Okay, none of this because you're going to hyperextend your back and injure maybe your hips, your knees, and all that stuff. So you want to keep the shovel close to you, right where that snow is. And when you do your shovel, you're close, right? Your feet are hip width apart. You want to go down. You want to bend your knees. So make sure you bend your knees. If you hear some cracking in your knees, it's okay, but you still want to bend them, all right? You want to bend your knees. You want to scoop. You want to lift. When you lift up, straighten your knees and then toss. You want to toss it close to you. No crazy throws of the snow because you're going to hurt your shoulder. So again, our knees are hip width, our feet are hip width apart. I'm close to the shovel, or it's close to me. I'm lifting down. I'm going close. I'm bending my knees. I'm lifting and I'm tossing the snow. Okay. All right, so that is tip number 3, posture. Okay, the next tip is to be aware of your body. Okay, some of you guys who want to be shoveling haven't been doing anything physical in a long time. No judgment. But if you get out here, you're shoveling, you don't do anything, you're a couch potato or you're behind a desk all day, you may have some heart or cardiovascular issues that you might not be aware of. So when you're out here shoveling, pay attention to your body. Notice how your heart is pumping, if it's pumping super hard, if you're having shortness of breath, that is important. Pay attention. Those could be cues that your body is experiencing some type of respiratory distress. We don't want anybody hurting themselves on a snow day. We don't want that at all. Okay, so those are pretty much the tips. So number 1, prepare the area the night before if you can with some kind of salt solution or whatever. If you don't, that's fine. nothing you can do at that point. But you want to have good posture. You want to make sure you have an ergonomically sound shovel. You want to make sure you don't drink any alcohol or any substance that will inhibit what you feel. And you want to pay attention to your body. So again, we're looking for heart palpitation, shortness of breath, dizziness, anything like that. Okay, so pay attention. Let's be safe. Let's have fun. After we finish shoveling this in real life, we're gonna have some fun and make hopefully some snowmen, some snow angels, and I'll show you guys some footage of that. But for now, just be safe when you're doing your actual shoveling. Okay, so it's your favorite chiropractor in real life, Dr. Burgundy, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. This is so nice.